everyone, I'm just going to show you a flower. These flowers have been around for years, and I actually did them. If you look back on go back about a couple of years, and you'll see there's a red velvet flower that I did. Now what you need is quite a wide. I'll tell you how wide I've cut this. This is about 3 inches wide will do. Then fold the material in half. And I'm using a cotton, and you'll see why, because it is a loop flower. But like I say, this is not a new flower at all. And like I say, I use this really strong black thread because you're not going to see it when it's all put together. So, I don't worry about it. Yeah, I think I'm going to cut mine off there. And that gives me a really good gather. As you know, I always do a good gather in my flowers. I have got some more kits going up. I'm sorry if people don't like watching them. Don't watch them. But some people want to buy the kits. They like, you know... So I have to do them somewhere, so they'll get mixed in with all the other things I've done. And besides, you know, you've got nearly 3,000 videos, if not more, to look through. So look, I've gone completely wrong there, but it doesn't matter. We don't fuss about things like that. My God. Now, what I'm having to do first is to stitch this. He's shouting at the dogs. Oh, Gizmo nearly said then. That was one of my old dogs. The big one, Lucky, he just nearly jumped onto the deck. I don't know how he managed it. Hurt himself, I know that. Right, so take this, and we're just going to cut... See, so now we've done that. It hasn't taken long to do. And then what I'm going to do with mine is I'm just going to gather it. So start to gather it. So daisy like that. Just pull it round. These are great flowers though if you do it this way. I have not wrapped mine round. I'm doing mine like this. Now, you do need to attach it to the other end, like you would a normal flower that I do. So we'll just bring them two pieces together, like that. So I hope you can see that. And then what you need to do is you need to pull that tight. Like that. And then just do a couple of running stitches. Probably not pulled it tight enough, but that doesn't matter because it'll sit on the felt better. Just snip that and look, see those? I mean, they're absolutely brilliant like that, and you still have to wandle them about a bit like that. Just pull them round and then you just rough them up like that. See, like that. Doesn't matter if they start to fray, because that's what you want anyway. But what I need to do now is I'm going to put a button in the centre. So I've got one here, which, yeah, that'll do. See if my glue gun's decided to work. Probably not. Oh, I'm gonna have to. I can't find the adapter for the new glue guns that I've got. And I need to find them quick. So for now, I'll just use what I've got. Ray's going to try and find it for me. You just sit that in there, take a piece of felt, and you need that for the back. Turn it upside down. And just glue that on, basically. And there you are, you've got your loop flower, and you can just keep roughing that up. Like that, make it more shabby chic and vintage. Like that. So that's how you do them. Not very hard, is it? Nothing new either. So there you go. That's that one. But I think I'm going to do another one and show you a different way. Well, a different style. So let's do it this way. Yeah, I'll fold this again. I mean, they don't have to be the same size, they don't have to be perfect, anything like that. It's a bit loopy, that. Okay, so again, what we're going to do is make that same flower, but I'm going to do another one for the centre. Just pull that down. Bring these two together, like that. Give it a good pull. Just move that out of the way. A few stitches there to hold that together. Oopsie daisy, make sure you take the loops out. And what we used to call these was the pom-pom flower. Don't know if anybody remembers the pom-pom flower, but like I said, it's not a new design. This loopy style was actually called the pom-pom flower, and I'm sure people will remember it as that, because it was made and looked like a, just cut that to look like a pom-pom. So that's that one. Now what I'm going to do is just do a smaller one and show you how we used to do the pom-pom flower. So let's have a look. Now I'm going to take those two together, with it being a smaller one, and just attach that first before I pull it. And now just pull that flower till it's gathered, like that. And a couple of stitches in there. You can actually make these small, you know, the pom-poms, like that, look. And they look great on a project. It doesn't matter about that loop. Right, so there we go. Move that around. Oh, my computer keeps going. And I'm going to take this. Oh, come on, glue gun. when he's finished doing the tiles, he's going to try and find me adapter for the new glue guns. Right, and then we pop that in the centre like that, which is a perfect size. Look, we need the little bit of felt for the back. Oh, come on. Oh, drives me insane. Like that. And then what we need is a nice... I don't know whether I want to do a butterfly or something in the centre. Because you don't have to do a button. No. No. Just going to get down my... buttons and see what I've got. I'd like a wooden one to be honest. Oh, what about... Let me just see what I've got here. There's a button here. Not sure. Do I want one of those maybe? Yeah, I actually like that. So I'm just going to glue that in. And put the button in like that. Push that down, and there you go. Rough them up. That's all you do. You can sit there and keep roughing them and you get the threads off and it looks more shabby chic, but actually this type is a vintage flower, not a shabby chic one, to be honest. So there you go. You can call it the pom-pom flower, like that. I mean, what I could have done was done another row the same as that, and then another one in the same, and you would have just got a ball basically. All right. So there you go. That's how you do it. Hope that's helped you, and please try it and look at them. They're really nice. Fab. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye for now.